In a kingdom nestled high among the misty mountaintops, there lived a kind-hearted princess named Asha. Her heart was as vast as the valleys below, and her smile as radiant as the sun that kissed the peaks each morning. Princess Asha loved nothing more than the tales her grandmother whispered to her under the starlit sky. One evening, as the kingdom settled into a gentle slumber, a soft, melodic sound drifted through the air. It was the enchanting music of the star dancer, a legendary spirit, known to appear only when the stars aligned perfectly in the evening sky. Curious and full of wonder, Princess Asha ventured out of the castle to find this mysterious sound. She tiptoed through the moonlit gardens, her delicate gown trailing softly behind her. As she entered the clearing at the edge of the forest, she saw the star dancer, shimmering and spinning in a symphony of light and music. The star dancer beckoned her, and Asha followed, mesmerized by the graceful motions and the twirling magic. "Princess Asha," the star dancer spoke, "I can see that your heart is filled with kindness and a desire for peace. Tonight, I will share with you the ancient dance of unity. It is a dance so powerful that it can bring harmony between two lands that have long been at odds." Asha's eyes widened with amazement. For years, her kingdom had lived in turmoil with its neighboring land, each side believing they were rightfully guarding their own territory. Perhaps tonight, Asha could discover the secret that would change everything. The star dancer's movements seemed to communicate directly with her heart, showing her the steps and gestures as if it were written solely for her. As Asha danced, the stars above glimmered brighter. An ethereal mist enveloped the two. With each step, Asha learned the grace of understanding, the twirl of empathy, and the glide of forgiveness. The dance revealed how every move was interconnected. Encouraged and heartened by the star dancer's guidance, Princess Asha decided to host a grand gathering inviting both kingdoms to witness the dance of unity. She believed that seeing the dance with their own eyes, they would understand. The night of the gathering arrived, and under the glow of the stars, Asha danced with every ounce of love she held. The star dancer appeared once more, joining her in a beautiful duet that twinkled and swirled like a dream. As the dance unfolded, hearts began to heal, and whispers of reconciliation spread through the crowd. The poem of movement spoke to their souls in ways words never could. From that night on, the two lands united under the shared sky, letting go of their old grievances. Princess Asha soon became celebrated not just for her royal heritage, but for her bravery and wisdom. She led her kingdom into an era of peace and prosperity. Her grandmother often smiled at her, knowing that her little dreamer had grown into someone who understood that true power lay not in ruling, but in loving. And so, every year when the stars aligned just so, the kingdom would gather to dance the star dancer's dance, reminding themselves that peace is achievable when we open our hearts to unite with others.